Hey guys, I've been checking in for a while these Ray-Ban Meta Smart AI glasses, and I think that they are a really interesting piece of technology. Okay, let me take them out of the case. That it's a charger. You have a USB-C port, and it will charge your Ray-Ban Meta glasses. This is the design. Okay, these sides are touch control. You can control the music. You can control the volume, you can turn it up, down, and with this little button it's a shutter for the camera. You can take photos, take videos with it, and I think that it's really nice. Hey Meta, what's the battery level? Okay, right now they are at 67%, and that's something that I think that it's really nice. When you pair it up with the Meta AI application, you can talk with the Meta AI, which I think that it's really nice. You can ask for the weather, what you're looking at. For example, hey Meta, what am I looking at? It's saying that I'm looking at my bedroom with my cat at the center, and here it is actually. He's running around doing its own mess, which I think that it's nice that it detects it. And well, another function that I think that it's useful is that when you are going around, you can just have them on and listening to music, which I think that it's really nice. The camera is right here in the frame. It's a 12 megapixels camera, and it shoots photo and videos hands-free. And I think that it's great for capturing the moment when your hands are full, or if you just want to be there in the scene and not behind the phone. And yeah, they've got built-in open-ear speakers. I was really surprised by how clear and loud the audio can be. You can listen to music, take any kind of phone call, or ask the Meta AI, and all without having earbuds. Pairing them to your cell phone is actually really simple, which I think that it's nice, and the Meta AI app makes it really easy to save all the clips upon your cell phone, share them on social media, and control any different adjustments that you can make to them. And obviously you can make very simple voice commands without having to touch the app or the glasses, which I think that it's really nice. The battery life has been really nice. You have around 4 hours of continuous use with using the music and all the different functions, and with the charging case you get around 32 total hours, and you don't have to need any kind of cables to charge them up. You just have to take them, place them upon the case, and they'll start charging right away, which I think that it's really useful. And of course they are Ray-Bans, so obviously they look great. They are quite light and comfortable, and overall they don't scream tech gadget, which is something that I really think that it's nice. These Ray-Ban smart glasses are the real deal. If you're into capturing life on the go, listening to music without blocking your ears, or if you just want some next level wearable tech, these glasses totally deliver.